Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to select English in Duolingo app. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your Duolingo application in your mobile device. Once your Duolingo application is open, click on the flag on the upper left of your mobile device this time. You will see here the languages. There's French, and then click on the plus sign, and then click on the language that you want to learn. In here, we can change it and then look for English. Now, we just need to keep on scrolling down until we find English as an option. Click on the three dots that says More to show more language options. Keep scrolling down once again. And then in here, you see English, or an indication is the US flag. In here, just click the button that says Change to Language. And then, Duolingo application will load. And you're now all set for changing the language of Duolingo into English. Just wait for the device or the application to finish loading this time. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel.